My name is Michelle Harper, and I'm the operations manager for Prosthetic and Orthotic Group. So Nymbl has allowed us to be more nimble in our practice. It has allowed us to have better communication between all of our offices. There's a wonderful tasking system and a messaging system, so it's brought us all closer together, even though we have the distance between us. Nymbl, it has a really nice workflow. It's very easy. It has a great, what we call a WIP, a work in progress, and it works you through from the beginning of an order of prescription details, getting diagnosis codes and doctors in there with your practitioner, and it helps you flow through the chart so that the admins understand kind of what the next steps are before the device or prosthetic is ready to fit and deliver and bill out as a claim. So the workflow, the user friendliness of Nymbl was a very big attraction. The visibility is really important to me so that I can help my staff be the best that they can be at their job and the most efficient that they can be at their job. And with good reporting and solid reporting and updated reporting every day from Nymbl, I'll be able to do that. I love Nymbl support. They'll call you personally. Any ticket that you put in, you have a response, usually same day. You do feel like they're in it with you. I appreciate that they listen to their customers and that they're available pretty much anytime you need them. Nymbl's culture is young, but I love it because everybody has a lot of energy, they have a lot of innovative ideas, and they want to make their product the best out there that it can be. And they do want all their customers' input to be able to do that, and I really appreciate that. They've been absolutely fantastic to work with. The development that they are continuing, I'm excited to see what's next.